In this camp, you get to learn a lot about the different softwares you can use to become an animator. You get to learn how to draw on computers in different ways. You get to learn how to animate in different ways. You get to learn a lot of different stuff.
I especially loved learning about the intricate pieces of animation, the 12 principles to be exact, and then also using those principles of animation in our drawings and projects that we did throughout this camp.
Yes, it could definitely be something that I would put up there high on my list for what I would do with my life.
Something very interesting to do, and might not be a career for me, but it's a very interesting hobby, and I'm glad that I did this, and we'll come back next year and do it again.
I agree with that statement, and we'll do the same.
I like learning new things. It was kind of fun, especially the Maya and how Disney uses the same one. And I liked the characters. It was all fun. Yeah, I'd come back. It's different than most summer camps. It's more fun because I went to another 3D modeling camp. Most of the time we just played video games, but in this one we actually got to do fun stuff, learn new things.
It was definitely fun, and it was cool learning all the programs and stuff. And we got to do a lot of cool things. Probably like learning how to animate and making a ball like bounce.